Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Arosh Tech BD, and today we're talking about something that keeps every website owner up at night: SEO. Search engine optimization can feel like a magic trick. You tweak some things behind the scenes, and then poof, your website appears on the first page of Google. But behind the magic, there's a real strategy. In this video, we'll be giving you a crash course in SEO: what it is, why it matters, and some actionable tips you can implement right away to boost your website's ranking. So whether you're a complete SEO beginner or you're looking for a quick refresher, stick around. What is SEO? Let's break down the acronym. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simpler terms, it's the practice of improving your website so that search engines like Google can understand your content and rank it higher for relevant searches. Why is SEO important? Think about it this way: when someone has a question, where do they go? They head straight to Google. And if your website isn't ranking on the first page, chances are they'll never find you. Here's why SEO is crucial for your business. Increased website traffic: the higher you rank, the more people will see your website. More leads and conversions, more traffic translates to more potential customers. Builds brand awareness: people trust websites that rank higher. Cost-effective marketing: SEO is an ongoing investment, but it's much more affordable than paid advertising in the long run. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to see results. But by implementing these simple tips and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to ranking higher in search results and attracting more organic traffic to your website. If you're looking for help with your SEO strategy, our team of experts here at Arosh Tech BD can help. We offer a variety of SEO services to fit your needs and budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips and tricks. We'll see you next time.